What's up guys, Chris Kodiak here, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make leather on Stranded Deep. First things first, you want to head over to the crafting menu and look for the item labeled tanning rack. You're going to notice you're going to need 4 lashing and 4 sticks to complete this project, and you should be pretty familiar with how to get those items, but if you're not, all you're going to have to do is head on over to look for these young palm trees. They're going to get fibrous leaves. 4 of them are going to make 1 lashing. If you can't find enough of those, look for yucca plant. That'll generate quite a bit more fibrous leaves. And if you're looking for sticks, sticks are going to be kind of sporadically placed throughout your island, but if you can't find enough of those, go ahead and chop down a palm tree. The palm tree will give you a piece of trunk. Each trunk chopped up will give you 4 sticks. Now that the housekeeping's out of the way, let's go ahead and craft some rope from the fibrous leaves we just collected, and head on down to the crafting menu and make ourselves our tanning rack. You're going to want to put this in a pretty favorable position. I'm going to place mine right next to the water still collector. This isn't my main base, so not really concerned with the location. But in order to make leather, obviously you're going to need some raw materials. And today's materials we're looking for is rawhide. Rawhide is going to be found by killing any wild boar you may come across on your exploration of different islands, and I suggest hoarding that as much as you can because they can be kind of tricky to come across. One of the problems with the tanning rack is it doesn't have a prompt like on the water still collector here to hold square to drink. There's no hold square to craft leather. The trick to this little project here is going to be to hold down R1 on your quick craft menu when in close proximity to the tanning rack. Go over to leather and click X. That's going to just add the leather into your inventory, and you're free to make any means of crafting, tool belts, whatever it is you're using the leather for. Hope this tutorial helped you guys. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and subscribe if you want to see some more videos like it. Deuces.